Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amazon nose piercing kit. Before you begin, make sure you have a clean, well-lit space and all the items from your kit. Wash your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap for at least 20 seconds to prevent infection. Then, use the alcohol wipe from the kit to sterilize the exact spot on your nose where you plan to pierce. Now, it's time to mark the perfect spot for your new piercing. Take the non-toxic marker included in your kit and carefully place a small dot where you want the piercing to be. Look in a mirror from different angles to ensure the mark is exactly where you want it and appears symmetrical. This step is crucial for achieving your desired aesthetic. With your spot marked, it's time for the actual piercing. Carefully align the piercing gun or tool with the mark on your nose. Take a deep breath, then apply firm, even pressure to quickly push the stud through. You should hear a click as the stud goes through and the tool releases. The stud will now be securely in your nose. After your piercing, proper aftercare is essential for healthy healing. Cleanse your new piercing twice a day using the saline solution or gentle cleanser from your kit. Avoid touching the piercing with unwashed hands, as this can introduce bacteria. The initial healing period for a nose piercing typically takes about 6 to 8 weeks, so be patient and consistent with your care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.